to get this sorted out. The mess is widespread. Not just the businesses, not just the buildings, bridges down, key pieces of infrastructure, even around some major cities, down, can't get in or out. Flights, hundreds of them canceled. School districts, dozens of them shut down right now. And above all, electricity. 270,000 people without electricity. But help is on the way. We're seeing National Guard in the air and on the ground so far. The death toll from this storm stands at 2. Both of those vehicle deaths. Jillian, back to you.
Thanks, Steve Harrigan on the ground in Open Springs for us. Thank you. Let's check in now with Fox weather correspondent Robert Ray. He's been tracking the storm from Clearwater, Florida, all afternoon. Looking home.
Yeah, Jillian, good afternoon to you. A similar scenario here on Clearwater Beach than what Steve Harrigan just described as the waters, the surge receding. Take a look at down this road as the Camelens trains all the way down into this neighborhood. I am not exaggerating when I say this. Less than 30 minutes ago, this was about a foot of water, and now vehicles can go through. That's how quickly the recession of the surge.
Morning, guys. Tonight's dino. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Nodosaurus. Quite possibly one of the armored dinosaurs. That doesn't have a tail club for defense. That doesn't need a tail club for defense. Kind of like Papasaurus. This.
According to police that I've talked to here in Clearwater, most people heeded that warning and got out. No reported injuries here on Clearwater Beach. No significant.
Basically.
But just like Steve Harrigan reported, some businesses and some homes taking some of the surge.
Basically, this guy. Well, I kind of have to put him on the list because of his bio, everything I saw about him, the fact that he doesn't need a tail club, and he's one of the less armored dinosaurs in the past. And well, despite his body design, Nodosaurus was basically a peaceful creature. Well, it does its best to avoid trouble, and it does avoid trouble. From what I've been told, these guys have trouble in herds. That's what makes Nodosaurus the way it is. It kind of earned this title of being part of my series and being part of the prehistoric universe. What can I say? This place is never going to stop evolving.